It's like I don't even have to shingle. Oh my gosh.
And I'm so glad you're mine, princess, my angel, my queen, baby, you're my friend.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to be trying the Texture ID Curls Styling Custard along with the Enhancing Primer. But first things first, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back for another video. You guys know I love Texture ID styling cream. I don't have, oh I do, hold on. All right, so you guys know, well if you're a subscriber, you know that I love the styling cream, especially partnered and paired with Wet Line Extreme Gel. Now, also, y'all know I'm also not a custard girl. However, because of the brand and the fact that it's worked well, other products have worked well, I decided to go ahead and give this a go round, okay? I'll leave the pricing down below, but I believe they were each $10 or around that. This is their enhancing primer. It's supposed to detangle, define, and prep your curls for styling. It has
What?
I don't even know how to pronounce that. Butter, rose water, and vitamin E, and it's for all curly hair types. Oh, the smell, it smells so good. It smells like a perfume, kind of like floral. Oh, it smells very fresh and florally like. I like the pop bottle. I'm so glad it's not a pump. So it just says to go ahead and apply it. It's no quarter size, dime size amount, just apply to clean hair. So it looks like an average, you know, conditioner, and it's a very milky conditioner, very milky and very creamy. Okay. So going on, there's no magic.
Shaka Khan.
But that does not mean anything. So I'm gonna try in 2021 to be more positive. Okay, that was on my vision board. So I'm not going to, you know, knock this at all, but this is not supposed to be any type of styler. It is just to prep your curls. And it's already actually giving me some definition, which says a good thing. Probably a little bit more. Okay. Oh, why y'all didn't tell me my face was looking like? So it's a good amount of slip. Let me just see how I go, or how it, you know, goes on the other sections. Wow. Okay. I'm not mad at that. All right. So we're gonna bust open the custard. Okay. So it says very specifically after priming hair. That's why I got the primer, because I was like, I'm gonna give this a fair chance. Okay. After priming hair, divide hair into sections and work product through strands from roots to ends. So very, you know, straight to it. And it's for maximum hold curl definition. This crunch free non-caking formula can be used for rod sets, twist outs, braid out, or wash and go styles. So it's very, you know, jiggly, you know what I'm saying? So forget my nail that's gone, but we gonna go ahead and use this. So it is like your typical feeling of a custard, not like a gel. It's very jiggly, a lot more movement than a gel would have. Oh, the smell, oh, the smell is so good. So you guys know I am big on like application. I don't want to fight with a product, and so far both of these products, you know, they're very easy to apply. It's a lot of slip to it, which, you know, a custard should give you is a good amount of slip. Oh. Hopeful, I am hopeful. So I am gonna take my dimming brush. Oh, it's like I don't even have to shingle. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, hold on. It doesn't feel like it just sits on the hair. And then I do get like a boost of a little bit of moisture. And the smell really dissipates with this as opposed to the other one. Not a strong scent, but it's a very nice scent to me. So now I'm taking the custard. And the good thing is, it's not acting sticky like some custards can be. And honestly, I'm not even putting a lot of custard on my hair, which, you know, is different. I tend to be very heavy-handed with products. So far, the application is beautiful. I'm not gonna have like super defined roots, but I feel like when you want that, you go for what does that, which is a gel. So far, the definition. So on this section, I'm not going to use any primer. I just want to see how the custard works alone, and I want to see how it acts alone. Okay, so the application is very similar. It still does have a lot of slip. It still is defining my curls. So why you need it in conjunction, it probably could just be because, you know, people be wanting you to buy extra parts of the line. But for those of you guys who are like me, who, you know, like to use just one or two products and you want to try this custard alone, I don't see why not. Listen, I'm not mad. I'm really not mad. This seems to be coming out pretty decent. Even on my resistant curls. The last test will be on this side where my hair is a lot looser and a lot weaker than this side. So I'm gonna come, you know, do all this. I'm gonna come back and show y'all the weaker side to see if it, you know, defines how it's working. So I'm gonna turn on my sermon instead.
I'm about to show you that peace is not the absence of noise, but it's the presence of order.
All right, so we did this section. I mean, as you can see, some sections are not holding it like a gel would. Yeah, so it gives me a nice little ringlet. So I'm gonna go ahead and shingle. So this is how my hair is looking, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of let it air dry as much as I can, and then I'll probably finish it up with, you know, my blow dryer and whatnot, and then we're gonna come back with the final results and my final thoughts. So stay tuned. All right, so this is just the diffusing result. Because the second ingredient is glycerin, it is taking my hair quite a long
periodically time
to dry, which is expected. The good thing is it is extremely soft, y'all. When I say this is extremely soft, it feels like if you were to do a twist out and you use like a butter, a very hydrating butter, and your hair just feels so soft to the touch. That's how this feels. Y'all know I don't like custards, but this is an exception. This is an exception. It performed like a custard, meaning it does have like that gooey texture. It does have, you know, a slimy, very slithery, you know, slinky type of feel to it because of the glycerin that's in it. So it does behave like a custard. However, it's not sticky, which I can respect because the smell is nice, the application is great, the price to me is affordable, and I did not use a lot, which y'all know is not like me. So I mean, I do have a good amount left because you really don't need a whole lot. And even in the areas where I did kind of cake up the product, it's not sticky like I find in other products. It does take about 45 weeks to dry, but you know, that's what happens when you use glycerin. Now let's move on to these, the enhancing primer. Now I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what it primed, but it said it primed. I would use this more for a leave-in. I have a feeling, hear me church, I have a feeling that this might just be amazing underneath the Wetline Extreme Gel. So I would be definitely trying that out, because if it works amazing with this, which is in the same, you know, brand, I'm sure that this is, you know, is specified for curls. I have a feeling, I have a feeling, church, that this might be that might It just might. I probably would not purchase this again, only because I'm not a huge Custard fan. Gels work for me, but I would recommend this to somebody and I would use it again. This I'd probably buy. Now if this works with the wet line church, I definitely buy this again because it does give me like that good moisture, that light moisture, not too thick moisture, enough moisture, like that perfect moisture underneath the gel. I'm curious to see how it holds up. So again, check the vlog that's gonna come out towards the end of the week and I'll let you know how my hair is looking. If you see it like this, I'll make sure to update you. Also, you can hit me on Instagram, follow me there, y'all. I'm active every single day and you can contact me there and ask me if you have any questions. No, it's a lot of DMs that come through, so I'm not ignoring anybody, but just give me a little time to respond to those. I hope it was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Let's start 2021 off with a bang, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much for watching.